So hi guys, in this video the question is find out the list of products having category electronics. Okay, some data is given. So very first we are creating a product class. Okay, in this we will use this data like product ID, product name, product category and product price. So here I am taking product ID as a integer, product name as a string, product category as a string, and product price double. Then I'm going to create non-parameterized constructor, parameterized constructor, some getter setter to get value and set value, and toString method. Okay, so this is the product class. Okay, you have to create. Then take a list. Okay, list is an interface in which we are using a product class. Okay, and its implementation class we are taking as a array list. Okay, array list is a class. So one by one we are going to add the data, okay, in this list. So product list dot add, in which we are passing the all 5 details one by one. Okay, new product is nothing but it is a just object. Okay, we are adding one by one all the values. Here product price is I have taken as a double. Okay, if you writing string, okay, then you have to use a semicolon bracket inside bracket. Okay, double colon or single colon. Okay, if you are writing double value, then don't use colon. So we have to find the list of products having category electronics. So I will take a product list dot stream, then I will filter it. Okay, e dot get category, because electronics is a type of category. So e dot get category equals to electronics, that is a category. Okay, then we'll collect list, okay, having category electronics. So use collect collectors dot to list. Now press alt or enter. Okay, it will return the local variable, that is a list. Collect is a list of product which you are going to print here. Okay, now save it and run it. Okay, you will get your desired output. Okay, here you can confirm that list of products are coming having a category electronics only. Okay, so this is how you can do this thing. Okay sir, so practice well. Okay, thank you.